Friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create game pass on Roblox. So guys, after the new update, the interface has changed. So if you are not familiar with the interface, then you have to watch full video to understand how to create game pass on Roblox, or how to make game pass on Roblox. So you have to first of all go to roblox.com to create game pass and to access the creator tab on mobile. So once you enter the roblox.com, it will take you to the home page, but before you have to log in into your id or into your account. So once you log in, so the the home page will appear here. So first of all, you have to tap on three dot, and if you are using Safari browser on iPhone, then you have to tap on smallest a and capital A, the icon in the search bar. So you have to tap on it and enable the desktop mode. So you just need to enable the desktop mode whether you are using Chrome browser or an Microsoft Edge or any other browser, because all the browser have also have desktop mode. So I'm sure, so you can enable the desktop mode once you enable. So let me enable first. So it is already enabled. Now you have to tap on this create tab to create game pass. So when you tap on create, so it will take you to creation tab, so creation dashboard, where you have to tap on the experience this image. Fine, let me go back if you do not get it, didn't get it. So you just have to tap on this image and it will take you here. So now you have to tap on menu. Now you have to tap on associate items. So you have to tap on this associate items, just remember that. Fine. Now to create game pass, obviously you need to go to passes tab. Just tap on it. Now your game pass will be listed here, so you just need to tap on create a game pass, and now the form will appear here where you have to upload the image of the game pass, enter the name and the description, and tap on create pass. So let's do that one by one. So tap on image and upload the image from your mobile or device or a computer. So you can do this process on any device, but just if you are using a mobile, you have to enable the desktop mode. If you are using a PC, you just need to follow the same process without enabling the desktop, because you are using the PC already. So now you have to go to image, select any image that you want to upload. So I have several images here, so let's upload one of them. So which one I should use? So I downloaded these images for my nephew. So let me upload this image, the red one, and enter the name of the game pass. So let's name it as right. I right. That's also cool. Now you can enter the description, but it is not mandatory because there is no asterisk next to the description text, so you can leave it empty. So now you have to tap on this create a create pass. Don't leave the video, guys, because now it's time to after creating the game pass, you have to configure your game pass as well. So once you create your game passes, you have to configure it. And in the previous version of Roblox, the configuration process is bit different, and in the new update also. And in the previous version, the configure process is very easy, but in the after the update, the configuration button will not be next to your game pass. So you have to tap on your game pass, newly created game pass, and tap on menu again. Now if you want to configure, you have to just tap on sale, where you can enable this item for the sale, and you can enter the price of the item. So now you can enter the price. So I'm gonna enter 200. Let's do that. And so since we know that the creator will get 70% out of it, so you just need to tap on this save changes, and your game pass will be has been set up for the has been set up for your sale, and you can set up the this game pass. You can list your game pass in the please donate to get donation. So it's, and this is also a way of, this is also a way of earning Robux on please donate. So now you can tap on the inventory and tap on three dot, and you can configure also from here. So you can also delete if you want to delete from the inventory, but if you want to configure, you can configure from here. So if you want to configure, you can configure from here. So the main motive of the configuration was to set up the price. So since we have done, so the configuration is not the same as before. So you can just need to go to sales and enter the price and just save changes. So now your game pass is in review right now, and once the review is done, your game pass image will be visible after that. So now you can set up your game pass in the please donate. So you can go to please donate and claim all the items in on your stand. So if you don't know how to set up or play or please donate, you can watch my video. I have recently uploaded on my channel yesterday, so you can watch it out. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and if you have still any question, you can ask me in comment section. Till then, bye bye.